Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can change your Android TV keyboard settings. So if you want to change the keyboard settings, you can simply go to the top right corner in the settings. And right here you can simply scroll down to go to device preferences. And if you scroll down, you will see the keyboard option right here. And in the keyboard option, you can simply go and change your keyboard settings from right here. You can either turn on the Gboard, and then you can turn on your virtual remote keyboard. So this is where you can really change your keyboard settings. So you go to Gboard settings, you can change the languages, whichever languages you want to enable, and you can also see the current version here. So this is where you can find your keyboard settings on your Android TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.